child safety off. Why do I feel like this safety applies to me? Hi there, I'm Roux. Welcome to my video. If you're already an avid connoisseur of my videos, welcome back, subscriber Rooney. Today I will fulfill my crazy cat ladiness by making a cat tent, as suggested by BuzzFeed Nifty. You know, I came across this video on BuzzFeed Nifty where they're like, 9 DIY projects all cat owners should know and do, or something like that. I was hooked. Immediately. I didn't even have to watch the video, but I had to watch it, of course, but I was hooked. So today I'm going to try to make a tent! Watch the tutorial so I don't, do it wrong. Oh, an advertisement. I'm kidding. You should totally be into that because that's, important for livelihoods of YouTubers. Okay, let's skip ahead to get to the important intent part. Ah, there it is. Found it. I already did the gluey thingy of 2 cardboard thingies yesterday because, that takes time to dry. I would definitely go for vegan glue, although this time I just got some glue that I've had since I was like 5. If you have some glue already, even if it's not vegan, use it up. Waste not, want not. Just buy vegan next time, huh? Eleen's is a good vegan glue thing. So first you oh my god. Child safety off. Why do I feel like this safety applies to me? Okay, first you're supposed to cut this. Then we have to do it again. I'm literally getting upper lip sweat from this. Okay, then we're supposed to straighten out the bends. It looked really easy. I don't know if it is. Does it have to be perfect though? Does it? Can it be a little wobbly? There's no shame in using your knees for this. Oh god. Or your feet. Perfect, but I'm sure they'll appreciate the effort. My kitties. I have 5 ultimate cat lady status. You might wonder why I don't post about them. It's because I'm paranoid as fuck. Okay, I watched a little bit too much Dr. Phil about crazy people who are like, oh, your children are beautiful on the internet. They are mine. I will fantasize about it and put pictures of them in my house and then I'll start kidnapping them. I know I sound insane, but I really just love them and I don't want to fuck with their safety. They're my children, period. All sort of kinked out. Then you're supposed to take this and make little holes. Try not to injure yourself. On the sides. Supposed to do the bendy thingy. Can use this. No. Yes. Oh, okay. Yes. Now I just have to do it all over again. Kind of. Sure. I've now taped them together. I mean, it doesn't exactly look as fancy as the one they made, but sure. So I always say to myself, perfection is a flaw. I think Buddhists would agree with me. Yes? And they're super wise, so it has to be true. I have discovered that this is so a 2-person job. Oh my god. Now that I have taped the bottom too, because I forgot to do that, and I tried to put the sweater on it and it just said no. Now that I've done that, I'm going to put the sweater on it. So far. Ooh! It actually looks like a tent! Now I just have to secure the flaps. I think I might have used a tiny shirt for this. Like, it's a small. Maybe you're supposed to use a large, but I'll try it. Yay! I mean, does it look as pretty as the BuzzFeed one? Absolutely not. Do I think I used a little bit too tiny shirt? Yes, I do. But you know, I'm sure it's gonna be functional, and cats get into tiny holes. They can get in anywhere, so maybe they'll just appreciate the fact that it's super tiny. Yes? It was easier than it looked, but it's definitely a two-person job. Someone needs to hold it while you're doing the taping underneath and the fastening of the safety pins, which I was a little bit hesitant of because, you know, cats and safety pins, but I'm just, you know, gonna have to bank on them never turning it around. Yeah, I'm happy. I hope they'll be happy. If you like that video, if you want me to do more crazy cat lady things, which is basically just me in my everyday life, comment below. What do you think of my tent? Did you think it's pretty? Pretty? Beautiful? Flaws are magnificent? Yes? True beauty lies in the flaws. I said that. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe and click the bell icon and, you know, stalk me on social media. All that good stuff. See you next time.